Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Argos checkout not working, step by step. First, make sure your browser or the Argos app is fully up to date. Outdated versions are one of the most common reasons the checkout freezes, fails, or shows an empty basket. If that doesn't help, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then relaunch the site. This resets any stuck session data that might be blocking your payment. Next, try switching to a different browser. For example, if you're using Edge, switch to Chrome, or vice versa. Many users say the checkout suddenly works after changing browsers. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using mobile data instead. Sometimes the issue is caused by your network rather than Argos itself. You can also try using the Argos website instead of the app, as the website is often more stable during outages. Still stuck? Switch your payment method. PayPal usually works even when debit or credit cards fail. And if your payment went through but you didn't receive a confirmation, don't panic, it's often just a pending order. The money usually returns to your bank within a few days. Check your email and account dashboard to be sure. And if nothing appears, contact Argos live chat before placing a second order. And that's it. Those are the simplest ways to fix the Argos checkout not working. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.